is an unavoidable part of the human experience. Whether it's the loss of a loved one, a relationship, or even a dream, grief touches us all in different ways. But how do we truly heal? Today, we will take a deep dive into the science behind grief and how we can heal step by step. Grief is a natural response to loss. Psychologists have long studied grief to understand its stages and impact on the human mind. There are 5 primary stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Denial is the first stage of grief. It's our brain's way of protecting us from the immediate shock of the loss. The mind tries to deny the reality of the situation. From a neurological standpoint, denial serves as a defense mechanism. The brain's prefrontal cortex tries to regulate the overwhelming feelings and emotions triggered by loss. The next phase is anger. This is where the pain of loss starts to surface, and we may direct this anger at ourselves, others, or even the universe. Bargaining is the stage where we find ourselves asking what if, or trying to make sense of the loss by making deals, even with fate. This is our way of regaining some form of control. During grief, the neurotransmitter dopamine, responsible for feelings of pleasure and reward, can decrease. This decline can make it difficult to feel motivated or happy. Depression during grief is a period of deep sadness. It's different from clinical depression but shares similar traits. During this phase, people feel disconnected and might withdraw from their normal activities. Depression can trigger changes in the brain, particularly in areas like the hippocampus and amygdala. Stress hormones like cortisol may also spike, leading to a feeling of heaviness. Acceptance doesn't mean being okay with the loss. It means acknowledging it and learning to live with it. It's the stage where healing truly begins. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, plays a key role in healing. When we engage with loved ones, oxytocin levels rise, helping us feel more connected and supported. Healing from grief is not something we do alone. Studies show that social support is critical to recovery. Reaching out to friends, family, or even support groups can aid in this journey. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing, have been scientifically proven to reduce stress and anxiety. These practices help individuals stay grounded as they process their grief. Time plays an important role in the process of healing. It doesn't erase the pain, but it allows us to adjust and make sense of our new reality. Many scientific studies suggest that grief recovery varies between individuals. Some recover in months, while others take years. It's important to respect your own timeline and not compare your grief to others. As we heal from grief, we start to create a new normal. This involves integrating the loss into our lives and finding new ways to move forward while keeping the memory of the loss alive. Healing from grief is a journey, not a destination. It's important to be patient with yourself and to reach out for support when you need it. You are not alone in this process.